knows frost, the temperature drops, the shadow moves and winter knocks. Oh, could it be the son of snow, the one who makes the cold wind blow? A windy chill you can't outrun, the frozen spell has just begun. Blow! Oh, Jack Frost, bitter with blow. Jack Frost, go to the bone. Those who cross his path will feel the wrath of winter's icy fate. The storm won't rest, the cold won't break. His grasp is one you can't escape. Oh, fear not those, stay safe inside, for it's the only place to hide. Keep warm beneath the fire's light, or brave the cold and pay the price. Ah! Oh, Jack Frost!